Hello students, welcome to my channel Vidyagram. Today we are going to learn how to write answer of the scene passages. Unit number 1.2, an encounter of a special kind. Now the question to write. Describe the campus where the writer's family lived. Author of this lesson was very lucky. The campus where he was staying was surrounded by natural beauty. There were individual bungalows, house for the officers, means special bungalows for each officer staying in the campus. There were birds, their sounds, squirrel in the kitchen garden, their sounds, and the campus was luxurious with green grass and colorful flowers. See, everywhere there were a greenery, colorful flowers, again the individual bungalows and the pure air. So you have to elaborate the answer. The lesson is an encounter of a special kind. Question, answer the following questions. Describe the campus where the writer's family lived. And the answer you can write. The writer's family lived in a corner of the large campus of a individual bungalows, house for the officers. The officers' club was next to the boundary wall of their garden. The compound was luxurious with green grass, colorful flowers, and many tall, majestic trees. The kitchen gardens and the magnificent trees always attracted many birds and squirrel. A group of langur had made their den an aswatha tree nearby. The next question is, how did the family relax after the lunch? बघा, हे जे लेखक होते हे सर्वसामान्य भारतीय कुटुंबातले होते. सुट्टीमध्ये उपलब्ध असलेला वेळ ते कसे घालवायचे आणि त्याच वेळेला त्यांच्या फॅमिली मेंबर्सचं काय उपक्रम असायचा, जो साधारणतः भारतीय कुटुंबामध्ये आपल्याला आढळून येतो. The writer's parents and his sisters lay down for an afternoon nap. बघा, पूर्णपणे स्वादिष्ट जेवण जेवल्यावर प्रत्येकाला दुपारची निद्रा घ्यावीशी वाटते. तसंच लेखकांच्या पॅरेंट्स सुद्धा त्याच्या छोट्या बहिणीबरोबर निद्रा घेत होते. The author settled down with storybooks because during the vacation they have a lot of times and the writer was fond of reading storybooks. That's why the author settled down with a storybook. इथे त्यांनी एनग्रॉस हा शब्द दिलेला आहे. एनग्रॉस म्हणजे मग्न होणे. स्टोरी बुक मध्ये लेखक मग्न झालेला आहे हे इथे आपल्याला कळतं. Snoring. The sound of snoring in sleep broke the silence of writer's house. त्यांच्या पालकांच्या स्नोरिंगच्या म्हणजे घोरण्याच्या आवाजामुळे त्या घराची शांतता पूर्णपणे बिघडली होती. लेखक तर शांतपणे वाचत होते आणि त्याच वेळेला स्नोरिंगमुळे सुद्धा तिकडच्या वातावरणामध्ये जो बदल आहे, एवढं मायन्यूट बदल त्यांनी त्या आपल्या लेखनामध्ये त्याचं काय केलेलं आहे, त्याची नोंद घेतलेली आहे. Now how can you write the answer? How did the family relax after the lunch? After eating sufficient and wholesome lunch, the writer's parents and his sisters lay down for an afternoon nap. The author settled down with a storybook. The sound of their snoring in sleep was such that it occasionally broke the silence of the writer's house. The next question is, what wicked custom is practiced by animals who live in a group? बघा, हा प्रश्न सगळ्यात महत्वाचा आहे. कारण या उत्तरापासूनच म्हणजे या धड्याचं मुख्य उद्देश त्यांना सांगायचं आहे. In general, what we see that the wicked custom is practiced among the human beings. But no, here the wicked customs are practiced in animal clans. That the thing writer is going to show us. The wicked custom. See, dominant, powerful male. What they do? They are the group leaders. Dominant, powerful male does not allow another male or adult to survive within its group. Though they are a leader, they don't like another male person should be live in that group. Mostly the leader of the groups kill male babies or adults. So that was the wicked custom followed by the animal clans, mainly in Langur families. What wicked custom is practiced by animals who live in a group? According to the wicked custom in the animal clan who live in groups, a dominant, powerful male does not allow another male or adult to survive within its group. Mostly the leader of the groups kills male babies or adults. The next question. What attempt helped the baby langur to revive? आता तुम्हाला माहित आहे त्या बेबी लंगूरला खूप मारलं त्या मेल डॉमिनेट जे लीडर होते त्याने खूप मारलं इतक्या जखमा केल्या परंतु लेखकाची फॅमिली दे वेर काइंड हार्टेड पर्सन and they gave so much help to baby langur and mother langur. How they help baby langur? How they take care of the baby langur? First, what they did? They, the writer, safely took baby langur inside the poultry coop in their backyard. Then what writer's father did? The writer's father gave him first aid to clean the wound and stop the bleeding. जे रक्त येत होतं ते रक्त पूर्णपणे पुसून काढलं ती जखम पूर्णपणे पुसून काढली म्हणजे रायटर्सचे पॅरेंट्स सुद्धा त्या रायटर्सला मदत करत होते त्या बेबी लंगूरला मदत करत होते. At last what he did, he offered him peeled banana which he accepted and ate it. कारण ते बाळ बेबी लंगूर खूप उपाशी होतं भुकेलेलं होतं मार खाऊन खाऊन दमलेलं होतं. The question is, what attempt helped the baby langur to revive? And you can write the answer. The writers caught hold of the baby langur's tail and safely took him inside the poultry coop in their backyard. The writer's father gave him first aid to clean the wound and stop the bleeding. The writer splashed cold water on the baby's body and made him sit up. He offered him peeled banana, which he accepted and ate up. The question. Why did Mother Langur make no effort to grab her baby from the coop? बघा मदर लंगूर कुठलाच प्रयत्न करत नव्हतं की जाऊन ते बाळ आपल्याकडे घ्यावं. याचं कारण की जे रायटर अँड रायटरची फॅमिली त्या बेबी लंगूरला खूप मदत करत होते. त्याची जखम धुवून काढली, त्याला औषध पाणी केलं, प्रथमोपचार केलं, त्याला खायला बनाना दिलं आणि मग हे पाहून त्या बेबी लंगूर मदर लंगूरला एवढा आनंद झाला की त्यांना माहित होतं की रायटर आणि रायटरची फॅमिली व्हॉट एव्हर दे आर डुईंग it is for the sake of their baby. You can write the answer. Mother Langur did not make any effort to grab her baby because she was completely sure that the writer was not doing any harm to her baby and whatever he was doing for the good of the baby. म्हणजे तिला काही करावं लागलंच नाही मदर लंगूरला कारण ती रायटरची फॅमिलीच खूप काही करत होते आणि त्यामुळे ते बेबी लंगूर आणि मदर लंगूर दोघे पण हॅप्पी होते. The next question. When did the baby langur finally find comfort? त्या बेबी लंगूरला शेवटी कधी दिलासा मिळाला, कधी आधार वाटला? Baby langur finds comfort. The mother langur descended on the floor of the coop. जेव्हा त्याची आई मदर लंगूर त्या खुराड्याजवळ आली. आणि what did she do? Baby langur find comforts when mother langur cuddled him tightly in her bosom. ज्याची ते बेबी लंगूर खूप वाट पाहत होतं की कधी माझी आई येईन आणि मला तिच्या कवेमध्ये घेईन. आणि जेव्हा तो कवेमध्ये येतो, आईच्या छातीपाशी येतो, तेव्हा त्या बाळाला खूप आनंद होतो, त्या आईलाही खूप आनंद होतो. आई आणि मुलाचं नातं हे अतूट असतं. कुठेही गेलात तरी आई ही आईच असते, या धड्यावरून आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतं. You can write the answer of the question, when did the baby langur finally find comfort? The mother langur descended on the floor of the coop and picked up the baby in her arms. She checked his injuries and then cuddled him tightly in her bosom. The sense of mother's presence comforted the baby. When the baby found that his mother was there to take care of him, he found comfort and peace in her caring arms. जेव्हा आईच्या बाहुपाशामध्ये ते बाळ जेव्हा गेलं, तेव्हा त्याला एवढा आनंद झाला की आता माझी आई माझ्यासोबत आहे, मला कशाचीच काळजी करण्याची गरज नाही. Thank you for watching video, and please subscribe the channel and like, share and comment on my channel Vidya Crown. Thank you.